Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to talk about the types of sentences. So let's go ahead and get started. First, let's discuss what a sentence is. A sentence is a group of words that show a complete thought. For example, this sentence here says, Lynn went to softball practice. That is a complete sentence. This part right here, went to softball practice, is not a sentence. We don't know who went to softball practice, so that's an example of a sentence fragment. Every sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark, either a period, a question mark, or an exclamation point. Okay, so let's start talking about our 4 different types of sentences. The first one we're going to talk about is a statement sentence. A statement sentence tells something. For example, I like to play soccer. That is a statement sentence because it's telling someone that somebody likes to play soccer. The second type of sentence is a question sentence. Question sentence asks something. The example here is, do you like to play soccer? That is asking someone something. Notice too, at the end of a question sentence, there is a question mark for our punctuation. The third type of sentence is a command sentence. A command sentence tells someone to do something. Our example sentence is, give me the soccer ball. Okay, you're commanding someone to do something. Notice that a command sentence ends with a period. The last type of sentence is an exclamation sentence. An exclamation sentence expresses surprise, excitement, or some other strong feeling. Our example here is, Juan scored the winning goal. Notice that an exclamation sentence ends with an exclamation point. Okay, good luck learning about sentences.